Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Today we're going to do a bit of under trailer maintenance. Show you where to grease, what to grease, and how to avoid a few problems, particularly with stabiliser legs. Now, stabiliser legs, often the most abused component on a camper because people tend to think that you can take the whole weight of a camper or caravan with these. Now I'm going to show you some of the insides of these that will explain why you can't, why they're not designed to lift the full weight of a camper. Anyway, for maintenance, the first thing we're going to do is remove the dust cover. So get a screwdriver, wedge it in, take the black cover off, and we'll expose the gears inside the little stabiliser leg here. Now, if you come in close, what you'll see on the gears is what's called a roll pin. Now, the roll pin actually locates these gears and fixes them in place on the shafts. Now, as you'll see, the roll pin is only about 4 or 5 millimeters in diameter. Think about it, 4 or 5 millimeter pin holding up 1.5 tonne of camper or 2.5 tonne of caravan just doesn't work. That's why we call them a stabiliser leg, not a lifting leg. Now, if you come in close, I'll show you how we grease these and maintain them. Step 1, get a finger full of grease. That's about enough. Step 2, we dab some grease in on the gears, work it in amongst the teeth, getting plenty in there. Now we're good to put our cover back on. And away we go. Another handy hint you can do to make sure that these guys last a lifetime is when you set up your trailer, your camper or your caravan, make sure you chock the wheels front and back. You don't want any forward or backward rocking that will start the stabiliser leg doing this, because what can happen is the pins inside here can be bent. Then when you're packing up to go home, all of a sudden your blue handle won't pull out, it's jammed, and you're pulling the bolts out of the mechanism just to get your camper home. Also, when you set up on uneven ground, if you find yourself setting up with a stabiliser leg at an angle, don't over tighten it, don't over wind it. The leverage will start to try and bend the pin, and same problem again, you bend the pin, you'll have trouble getting your stabiliser up. So look after these guys and they'll look after you. Don't go trying to lift the whole camper wheels off the ground. It's not what it's designed for. You've seen how small those roll pins are. 4 or 5 millimeters of steel is just not enough to lift 1.5 tonne. So look after them. For more great tips and tricks like this, follow us on Facebook, get across to the website and check out the rest of the Masterclass series. But above all, if you have some kind of handy hint similar to this that you think will help other campers and MDC owners, send us a message on Facebook and we'll turn it into a video and spread it to the rest of the world. Thanks for watching.